So I found a better way to put these fans together. So I am using 3M Scotch ATG 700 tape, and that's the dispenser right there. This dispenser and the tape are sold separately. I'll leave everything in the comments. So before, what I was using was whatever the supplier sent me. And eventually when you clack the fans, the ribs move, which I didn't like. So I had to reinforce it with glue. Then I moved over because someone left a comment about Elmer's tape runner, and that was great, but they also move eventually as well. However, this what I'm using does not move. So my method is I don't even use the painter's tape anymore. I just lay my ribs out the way I'm going to have them, and then I take the fan from underneath, and then I start applying the tape, which is really glue. I start applying it to the center first. This does not move. I absolutely love it, and it makes everything quicker. So I start with the middle, and then I just rub that down. And then I do one side at a time. Now, what you can also do, instead of doing one at a time and then putting the fan down, you can just go down the row and use the dispenser on each rib, on each side first, and then lay the fan down. But what I would do is I would save the last rib on each end for last, because you want to make sure you have good placement with that. But I absolutely love this. It makes my process quicker. I don't have to apply glue, which I don't like to do anyway, because the lighter color fans, the glue sometimes shows through a little bit at the bottom, and I just don't like that. So guys, I mean, let me know if you've already been using this in the comments. I'll leave the links in the comments for you guys to use. But I'll show you how it clacks when I get done. If you're still having trouble with these fans, let me know what you want a video on. I do have a wide format printer now, but when I first started, I was piecing these together and it still came out the exact same way. Someone is telling me that I can use roll paper for a printer that has 13 by 19. I can use roll paper and just do one sheet instead of piecing it together. So I will try that for you guys, even though I have a wide format printer, to let you know how it works, because I do still have a 7710. All right, so this is coming out great, guys. Let me show you how it clacks. Almost done. Let's see. So you want to make sure you have good placement with these so that you don't have to readjust, because it does not move. All right, check this out.